Hello, Ethan.
Good afternoon, John.
And we welcome you to Wahawk Talk this Thursday, April 12th.
Attention seniors, turn in your Golden W form to Mrs. Reimer in the PBDA office, room 233A by Friday, April 20th.
Collection is happening now for the House of Hope. Bring items to the counseling office by April 27th.
The Senior Honors Assembly will be May 11th at 12:30 p.m. in the auditorium. Seniors, if you have been awarded a scholarship you plan to accept, email Mrs. Wasp by May 1st to have it included in the reported senior scholarships handout.
The boys cross country team is selling used uniform items for anyone interested. These items are in very good condition. At this time, the Nike jackets seen in the picture can be purchased for $20. Sizes are small, medium, and large. Pants can be added to complete the set for an additional $10. See Coach Malsam in office area 220B.
Today's events: girls tennis at East at 4 p.m., boys track at Ames 4:30 p.m., and girls track at Decorah at 5 p.m.
Boys soccer at CVSC 5 and 6:45 p.m. Girls soccer at Cedar Rapids Kennedy 5:15 and 7 p.m.
Thanks for joining us, and we will see you next time.
Have a great day. Be West.